Hello, this is Mrs. Cariotti from the Citizenship Academy in Syracuse, New York. What I wanted to bring to you today was a review lesson counting pictures from numbers 16 all the way up to 20. As you can see on the screen I'm sharing with you, it says the directions are to count the pictures in each box, then write the total on the line. So what we're going to do is we're going to jump right in and we're going to start with counting these blue triangles. See them there? Those are the blue triangles. Now, normally I would have you practicing counting, touching and counting with your pointer finger. Now, I can't show you that on my screen. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my black marker and I am going to go ahead and I'm going to cross out each triangle as I count, and then I'm going to write my total. Okay? When it comes to the time where you need to complete the rest of these on your own, I want you to use your pointer finger and I want you to slowly touch and count each each picture as you go. Okay? So let's jump right in to these blue triangles and I want you to count with me. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So as you can see, I counted very, very slowly and carefully, and I counted 20 blue triangles. So I wrote 20 on the line. Okay? Now we're going to do one more together. We're going to count these green smiley faces. Okay? Here they are. Those green smiley faces. Okay? Are you ready to count with me? Excellent. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, so as you can see, again, I counted very slowly and very carefully, and I counted 18 green smiley faces. Now, what I want you to do is I want you to finish counting the red circles, the yellow Pac-Man, and the purple hearts on your own. And I want you to write how many red circles, yellow Pac-Man, and purple hearts that you counted. Okay, remember to use your pointer finger to touch and count carefully and slowly. Happy counting. See you again soon. Bye-bye.